A hedge is a beautiful way to enclose a space or to create a dramatic backdrop in your garden, such as this beautiful Chinese holly or that fabulous azalea. But you know, there are some things that you want to keep in mind when you're picking out your hedge. And I suggest that you talk to your local nurseryman and find out about what hedge would work well in your area, and talk about the spacing, how far apart you're going to plant them, and also how big it's going to grow. And something else you want to keep in mind is how much time are you going to have to spend when you're taking care of it. For example, boxwood I know is really popular with a lot of people, but it takes hours and hours to trim, a lot different than something that's very natural such as this holly. Something else that you want to think about is whether it's going to be deciduous or not. Is it going to lose its leaves during a particular part of the time? During the year, it's going to break down your privacy. And then also, something else you want to think about is it going to be subject to infestation? In this event, you might think about putting two different kinds of plants together so that if one happens to get sick, the other one is still there, still giving you some green and some privacy in your own garden.